In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on a GoDaddy website. If you're setting up an online store and want to start listing items for customers to browse and buy, this process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your GoDaddy account and begin adding products to your website with confidence. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your Profile section. This is usually where you can access account-related options and the products connected to your subscription. Click on your profile and from there, select My Products. This area gives you a full view of the services and tools you currently have under your GoDaddy account. Next, find your website in the list of products. When you see it, click Website and then choose Manage. This will take you to the management area for that specific site. From here, click Edit Website so you can open the website editor. This is the part of GoDaddy where you make changes to your site content, layout, and store settings. Once the editor opens, click into the Website Builder. This is where the main tools for editing and organizing your site are located. After that, go to Store and then click Products. This section is specifically designed for the items you want to sell, and it's where you can begin building out your online catalog. At this point, you can start adding your products. Enter the product information carefully so your customers have a clear understanding of what you're offering. Depending on your setup, you may be able to customize product details such as names, descriptions, images, pricing, and other important store information. Take your time here because well-organized product listings can make your store look more professional and easier to shop. Feel free to customize everything available in the product section, so your listings match your brand and the style of your website. The more polished and complete your product pages are, the better the experience will be for your visitors. And that's it. Once you've gone through these sections, you'll be in the right place to add and customize products on your GoDaddy website. Follow the path from your account to My Products, open your website, click Manage, select Edit Website, go into Website Builder, then Store, then Products, and start building your store.